Hi friends, once again welcome back. This video is a quick video. I will show you how to pay the balance tax online. For example, suppose you are filling the income tax returns and today is the last date, but it's not that you cannot fill it tomorrow. You can fill tomorrow, but there will be fine and stuff. So anytime if you are filling your tax forms online, ITR filing, and say you find that there is some amount to be paid to income tax. So how to pay this online? What is the best option? And after paying it online, you would have noticed that it's not reflecting automatically. So how to fill it or enter manually? All these things are covered in this quick video. I will show you what is the exact process to pay the balance tax. So this is the website, everyone knows this, incometax.gov.in. You can get this website from a video description, copy paste. After that, click on this head icon, menu icon, and click on login. Okay, if you are not having an account, follow our previous video how to create the account. Once you click on login, you are supposed to enter username, which is nothing but your PAN card or Aadhaar card. Both should work. I am entering the PAN card number as user ID and click on continue and enter the password you have already set. If you don't remember password, watch our forgot password video. Click on continue button after entering and you get file now option. If you have already filed, it will show success. So let us select the assessment year. I am selecting this year 21-22 assessment year and click on online mode and click on continue, and it will fetch all the details automatically. And I'm not going to file complete income tax. We have another video for that, you can watch that. But the question is, once you fill everything, you get something like this: tax paid so and so, total tax liability, you are supposed to pay so and so. So this person is supposed to pay 1,57,000, he paid 1,51,000. So around the difference is 6,610 rupees he is supposed to pay extra. So what is the process? You come down bottom of the page, the same page, and there is a pay now option. Okay, you can see here amount payable. Only after paying he can file forward. So I'm going to show you how to file this or pay this option. Click on continue. After clicking pay now, it will take you to NSDL website, and clearly this is the challan number. Okay, don't change anything. You have to complete this process in 30 minutes. You could get totally 30 minutes. And tax form, what is the income tax number and type of payment, all these things will be automatically filled. Please do not change any of these things. You are going to pay a self-assessment tax. Okay, so clear. Self-assessment tax means the balance tax you are going to pay before filing the returns. So don't change all these things. You got mode of payment too, basically net banking as well as using debit card. In this video I am going to choose the option of net banking because that is one of the easiest. You don't need card. After that, you can select any of this bank. Almost all the nationalized banks are there. For example, I select ICICI and you can see here total amount has come. After that, enter the captcha and click on proceed. So this is the process of paying self-assessment tax at the end of tax filing. Okay, click on proceed and you can see here tax applicable, type of payment, all these codes are defaultly taken. Please do not change it. It's a right code. Okay, you are supposed to pay only so you can see here assessment year also 21-22. Make sure this is right. It is right in most of the cases. And after that, the bottom of the page, click on I agree and submit to the bank. So basically you are supposed to select net banking and bank name. That's it. Other things are perfect. Come at the bottom and click on submit. So it will go to your bank details, and after that, as you can see here, it will be paid like this using your net banking credentials. Once you pay, you get a receipt generated like this. Your full name, PAN details, and all the details are available here. This is the receipt, and let us see what are the data we need from the receipt. If I zoom this receipt, you can see here right bottom, you need these details. So it clearly says self-assessment tax. That is right. Now payment is successful. Bank reference ID is there, and you got other things like BSR code, tender date, challan number, and the date what you paid, the amount and date. These are the details you need from this. Let us come back. So if I go to income tax portal, you can see here it will not get updated quickly. See, you have paid it, but there is no link that this portal is getting the update. Even if I log out and log in, I find that I go to dashboard and I see that the payment update information was not quickly taken in this web portal. Maybe it will take after some time. So what is the process? You can see here tax paid and liability, same thing it is showing, right? Even though I paid the balance, it is not updated. It says 151, you paid 157, that means 6,000 you are paid supposed to pay extra. So what is the procedure? It's very simple. After coming to the page, click on tax paid, modify if required option. Okay, that means you have paid the tax, you are going to update it manually. Click on modify if required and scroll down. At the bottom you can see I had paid advance tax, but advance tax and self-assessment tax comes in one page. So advance tax is something we already paid 30,000, but just now what we paid is self-assessment tax. So let us click on show details here. You see a 30,000 there, but it was paid as part of advance tax. We can verify it. You can see here total advance and self-assessment tax. It is saying only 30,000. The 6,000 something paid, it is not there. If you scroll right down, you can see here challan number and stuff, and tax paid is 30,000. It was paid a long way back, and that is regarding the advance tax. So now how to fill these details? What we paid just now is self-assessment tax of 6610 rupees. Challan serial number is there, BSR code, tender date, everything is there in the challan receipt you removed. You received. So let us see, you can see here the challan number is 9164. This is the previous one I paid, and if you scroll down you can see the date is it's 6 months back date. So that means the current payment is not updated here. This is the 30,000 which was paid long back. So how to update this with the latest payment we made? Click on add another option here. Okay, this is the method, manually adding if it is not reflecting. Click on add another, and after that you are supposed to enter 4 details basically: BSR code, serial number, date of deposit, and at the last you can see the tax paid amount. So these 4 details you are going to fill it manually here and click on add button. Simple. So where we get all these details, those are there in the receipt you have just now downloaded after paying the amount of 6,000 something. So what are they? 1 is BSR code, 2 serial number, 3 deposit date, 4 tax paid amount. So let us quickly see or pick this 4 data from coming back here. You can see here 1 BSR code is there, 2 challan serial number is there, 3 is the payment date is there, and 4th one the amount what you paid is also clearly there. See here, this is the amount 6,000 change. So let us pick one by one all these details and come back to the income tax portal and fill it. I have done that clearly from the receipt, and click on add button. Once you add, clearly you can see it is getting added. See here 36 and 610. Previous it was only 30,000, now 6610 is added. So total paid tax paid also got updated. You can click on confirm button here. I will show you how it works, and you see, come back to the portal, you see here tax paid is 157,927 and tax liability also 157,927. So that is updated properly. So now your income tax balance, whatever you are paying, supposed to pay extra, has become 0. You click on proceed here, you see both the amounts match, and clearly it says you need to make a payment of 0 rupees and you are good to go. You can click on download this receipt, and also you can go proceed with filing your income tax return in the next page. You can see here, if you go to next page, amount payable clearly shown as 0, and your total tax liabilities also you can see tax paid and tax liability is same amount. You can go click on preview return and start filing your, basically verify and validating your e-return and get ITRV acknowledgement. We will update how to verify and validate your income tax returns and receive ITRV through Aadhaar OTP in another video. Please watch the same. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe.